One left, one left. I've got Nate on left. You see Chris? Trade. Yeah. All right, swap sides. I got two on left, two on left. Very middle. Two left, three right. Michael back left. Whoa, where are they at? Point. Yeah. Michael's pushing heavy middle. Bo's on left. Michael's out. Oh shit. I got Bo and David.
Yeah, I got James.
Bo was completely exposed. He was so focused on Matt. What? I did, but I got two of them. I got Bo and I got David. And I got Michael. Three right, two left, three right, two left. Barry, I'm crossing. One on the pyramid in front of me. Michael's in front of me. You got me. That thing is rough. The snake. Oh my God. David was just there.
Oh, I know.
Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at?
3 right, 2 left. Jonah back left. James back right. Micah, can you get to this pyramid? No? We're all in. Where are they at, Will? Is it just 2? 3? I see Jonah and James. Where's the third? Clinton, middle? The one I'm on?
Yeah. No. Yeah, there's one opposite you.
Will. Pyramid. Ready? Go. Jonah's back left. Damn. Where? Clint's hit. Who's in?
James
Just James and Jonah? They're both back corners.
James is out. James is out.
James out. Ready? Cover. Go, 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 go! I got hit.
Our gun hits it.
Gun hit count.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay.
Jeremy, watch yourself, Jeremy.
You're right. That middle cover sucks.
Oh!
That middle cover is on guard.
There's 2 here on the left.
My left?
Yeah. There's 3 on the left. Got 1. I got 2 here on my left. On the left side. Got Dennis. Is he the last one? Oh, there's 2. Reloading. I got him. Is this just 1 left? I got the one in the corner. Michael, there's 2 over there? Okay. All right.
Never mind.
I got Will.
Giant cover.
Got another one.
Oh my god.
There's just, yeah, he's just with the flashlight.
I got him through the window.
You got him? All right. He's out. Push, push, push. We'll just walk it in. Oh, there's one there.